Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus. You know, one of the main benefits of a digital mixer is the ability to save scenes. But another equally beneficial feature is the ability to override that for certain channels so that they stay in their position no matter what. That function is called Scene Safe, and I'm going to show you how to do it from a Series 3 mixer's work surface. Here we see a band layout, and if I toggle over to the next page, you'll see on channel 30 I have an MC mic. And I want this mic to be independent of any scene I'm on, so that we always have a live mic we can use in the show. To engage Scene Safe, I'll simply hit the Scenes button right below the touchscreen, and then hit the Scene Safe tab to the top right of the screen. Then I'll select channel 30, and it's locked in place. Note the lock symbol on the scribble strip. When I hit the Home tab, you can see that I'm on Scene 1. I'll pull up the fader and recall Scene 2. Notice that all the faders moved except for channel 30. I'll pull it down a little, recall Scene 1, and it still does not move. To disengage this function, I simply hit the Scene Safe tab again and hit channel 30. I go home, recall either scene, and my MC channel is now following along. This is just another quick workflow on PreSonus StudioLive Series 3, helping you set up your shows with minimal effort. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.